Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, and trust me, it's a game changer for entry-level photographers. Packed with advanced features at an unbeatable price, the T7 is a powerhouse with a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digic 4 Plus image processor, delivering stunning stills with clarity and reduced noise. The camera doesn't compromise on video quality either, offering full HD 1080-30p recording with a user-friendly onboard feature guide. Whether you're a beginner or looking to step up your photography game, the T7's 9-point AF system and contrast detection focusing ensure precision and accuracy. Compact and capable, the T7 is ideal for those wanting to explore their creative side. The 3.0-inch 920K LCD monitor provides a clear view, and the built-in Wi-Fi with NFC allows instant sharing of your masterpieces to your mobile device. With the included EF 18 to 55mm lens, LPE10 lithium-ion battery pack, and a range of accessories from a camera bag to lens cleaning tools, this kit is a complete package. From the scene intelligent auto mode to a variety of filters, the T7 is all about versatility. In conclusion, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a fantastic entry-level DSLR that doesn't break the bank. Unleash your creativity, capture breathtaking moments, and share your journey seamlessly. This kit is a steal for anyone looking to take their photography to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.